Mr. Cuellar, what do you wish to do this morning?
I would like to speak to the state when
You're number one to confer. 564354, State versus Cynthia Vela. Scott Martinez. Scott Martinez, attorney, no appearance.
Cynthia Vela is there.
Cynthia Vela, good morning.
Oh,
Cynthia Vela is
disregard.
not answering. You do see her, Patty?
No, sir.
Ah, you were trying to fool me. Okay.
Mhm.
So Cynthia Vela is absent as of right now. 582762, State versus Cristina Tristian. And
Good
that's
morning, Your
Rochelle
Honor.
Acevedo. Good morning, ma'am. Rochelle Acevedo,
I don't see her.
no appearances of this moment. 599862, State versus Mariana Barnes, attorney, Tanisha Taylor. Mariana Barnes is absent. Tanisha Taylor, no appearance. 614384, State versus Deborah McGee, attorney, Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I am present. Just got off the phone with my client, so she should be on.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Very good. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ivan, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, we are set to plea. I just got the paperwork, so we're going to go over them as soon as we're done with the docket.
All righty, very good. Excuse me. 615372, State versus Christine Mason, attorney, George Sharman II. Christine Mason is absent. George Sharman, no appearance. 622997, State versus Tanya Ramirez,
Your
attorney,
Honor,
Robert Wilson.
I'm here and my client is trying to get on. She's having technical difficulty, but she is in the process of getting on.
Okay, well, you're an officer of the court. I'll accept that. I'll mark her present. Make sure you point it out when we have a chance.
Yes, Your Honor.
627. Oh, what do you want to do this morning? I'm sorry.
We are here to plead out.
Alrighty, I'm gonna do a plea. So is Mr. Barrera, or his client rather. 627004, State versus Manuel Escobedo, attorney Ivan Barrera.
Judge, my client is present. I see him on Zoom, and this one is set for a plea as well. Paperwork's already been turned in.
Very good. Thank you, sir. 634586, State versus Wayne Garrett, attorney Susan Kramer. Thank you, sir. Susan Kramer, no appearance. Wayne Garrett, no appearance either, absent, listed as a fugitive. We'll go to page 2 of this thing. 643036, State versus Richard Knight, attorney Ivan Barrera.
Judge, I see my client Richard's on.
Morning,
and
Judge.
Judge. This one is set for a plea. Paperwork's already been turned in.
Very good, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Knight.
Good morning.
648084, State versus Napoleon Armstrong, attorney Marshall White. Napoleon Armstrong, absent. Marshall White, no appearance. 649386, State versus Lopez Moore, attorney Raimundo Aleman. Lopez Moore. or
He's there,
Lopez-
Judge. He's there.
Hello, Mr. Moore.
Yeah, can you hear me?
I hear you now. Thank you.
All right, I'm new to this, so I'm stuck, man. I'm telling you.
Not to worry. We'll take care of it. You're marked present. Your attorney has not appeared yet. We'll wait for him to show up, so stick around.
All righty.
651013, State versus Isabel Ruff, and attorney is Dante Dominguez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dante Dominguez for Ms. Ruff. I do not see her signed on yet. I'll have my office follow up and see where she is. All the paperwork is in, and we should be ready to plead this out once we can get a hold of her.
Very good. We'll get it going.
Thank you,
Scheduled
sir.
1:30 PM, needing an interpreter is Miguel Lineal Martinez. And the attorney is Ivan Barrera. Ivan, we'll be calling you back at 1:30 on this one.
Sounds good, Judge. Thanks.
You're welcome. 669-248. That is going to be a plea, by the way, right? 669-248, State versus Darrell Johnson, attorney, John Garcia.
I'm here, sir.
I'm present with my client, Your Honor. We should be ready to go on the plea.
Already. Looking good. On the third page. 669-830, State versus Antonio Jackson, attorney, Frank Sandoval Jr. Antonio Jackson is absent. Frank Sandoval.
Get in the courtroom, Judge.
Mr. Jackson, good morning. I'm marking him present. Thank you, Thelma. And his attorney is not present. Frank Sandoval Jr., 672-115, State versus Ramiro Lopez, attorney. No attorney as of this time. Mr. Lopez, Ramiro Lopez. Ramiro Lopez, absent. 672-143, State versus Aaron Gallegos, attorney. Julia Hernandez.
Judge, good morning. It's Michael Gross. I have filed a notice of appearance, and with your permission, Judge, I would substitute in as retained counsel. Mr. Gallegos is here.
Thank you, sir. We'll mark it accordingly. What do you wish to do this morning?
Judge, if we could please do a 60-day reset, that would give me a chance to look at the discovery and go over it with Mr. Gallegos.
Okay, 60-day reset it is. Patricia? Mr. Gross, you and your family have a great Thanksgiving, and unless you have another case here, you're excused.
That's all, Judge. Hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving. Take care, sir.
You too. 672-163, State versus Johnny Juarez, attorney, Brian O'Donnell, Renee Munoz. What's that mean?
I
Renee?
believe it's Renee, Judge. He's the one that's here, but he's muted.
Well, Renee, you're gonna have to unmute yourself, Renee. Were you hired, Mr. Munoz? Mr.
He would
Munoz,
have been
were you?
appointed.
Judge, sorry, I'm in a jail court setting, Your Honor. Were you calling me?
Yeah, are you hired on Juarez?
No, Johnny Waters, Judge. I'm appointed with the Public Defender's Office, but I have not had contact with them at this point in time, unfortunately.
Okay. All right. Johnny, thank you, sir. Johnny Juarez. I'm marking him absent. 672-186, State versus Albert Villanueva, attorney, Jesse Sepulveda Jr.
You can look straight.
Jesse Sepulveda Jr., no appearance. Albert Villanueva, marked absent. 672210.
No. Okay, forget it.
672211, 672212. All of them, State of Texas versus Randy Barron.
I'm present, Judge, and he should be in the courtroom.
Yes, he's here in the courtroom, Judge.
All
And Your
right.
Honor, I'm present also because I was appointed originally and then Miss Corley was hired and I was given notice to be here. So I'm here also.
Yeah, it's motions to withdraw, Judge.
Okay.
I'm technically not the attorney of record, Your Honor, but I was given notice to be here, so I'm here.
Okay, now whose motion to withdraw are we talking about?
Randy Barone for Linda Corley, all three cases.
Okay, you're withdrawing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
And Your Honor, I went ahead and tried to file one because I wasn't sure, but I wasn't able to file it because she is the attorney of record, but just for safekeeping, I filed it, so.
now who's speaking?
Oh, this is Sharon Thorne.
Okay,
Sharon Thorne, Your
there.
Honor. I was originally appointed to
What
Mr.
is it you
Brown.
found? Ms. Thorne? what
I
is it?
tried to file and then I realized they wouldn't accept it because I'm not the attorney of record. Miss Corley is. I was originally appointed and then he hired Miss Corley. Miss Corley's motion is before you today.
Okay, so Ms. Corley is hired, but then she is filing a motion to withdraw?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right.
And Judge, just to make the
Go
court
ahead.
aware, I've got 2 felony pleas I have to be at 10. I know we have plenty of time, but I just wanted to make you aware of that.
Your Honor,
Is anyone opposed to the motion to withdraw?
Your Honor, the defendant,
Randy Barron?
correct, Your Honor.
All right, I've called your name several times. Are you he?
I've been in the courtroom, Your Honor. I've been waiting here patiently.
Okay. All right. Now, since you're present, you have an attorney, 2 attorneys that are trying to withdraw from representing you. Do
Your
you
Honor,
have any objection to Ms. Corley withdrawing from representing you?
yes, actually, no, Your Honor. I would like for you to grant it, Your Honor. She has kept my money, so I couldn't hire another attorney. Ms. Sharon Thorne was appointed to me initially. However, the contact information that the court has for her is not valid. I had to go on my own search to find her. And the fact that I'm currently on house arrest made it very
Mr. Barron or Baron,
Yes, sir.
do you have an objection to Ms. Corley withdrawing from representing you?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, do you have an objection to Sharon Thorne withdrawing from representing you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And what is your objection?
I like for her to be my attorney, Your Honor, so I could have a fair case.
And
Okay, we may have to have a hearing on this, Ms. Thorne. Can you stick around a little while?
yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Corley, you are excused. I am granting your motion.
Judge, would it be possible for myself and Sharon to go into a breakout room with you real quick?
Yes, ma'am. Patricia, will you make it so?
Yes, sir.
That concludes the call of this morning's docket. I will return with y'all shortly. Attorney Corley and Thorne and myself.
Hello, Judge.
Judge,
Hold on.